Задержим дыхание. Все.
There is this problem that we all have. The problem is posture. And our posture is getting ruined by the things that we do every day. Like we look at our phones, like our head keep on getting down like this, so this ruins our posture. So here are some doctors who think they're fixing those postures, yes, who think they're fixing those postures. Here. Ooh, I feel sorry for this woman, bruh. I would like to ask, is this medical practice actually proven that it actually works? Is it proven or not?
And something needed to be said. Apparently, this is a Russian chiropractor. He has an entire page full of this kind of material. And what's more alarming is this isn't the only page or the only chiropractor that's doing this. As you can tell, he's just taking a mallet and literally using some sort of chisel to hammer away at her spinal column. This is extra dangerous because he's probably injuring these structures here, which are called the spinous processes. Just underneath those bony structures is the spinal cord, represented by this red cord here. And if there's any sort of injury to that spinal cord, it will result in permanent paralysis. There's also a possibility that he could be creating a hematoma, which would then compress the spinal cord and likely necessitate a surgery. And then near the end of the treatment, he grabs a hold of her neck and starts to try to tell her to calm down and relax. He's speaking to her in Russian, and he's basically fighting against her while choking her and trying to get her to calm down. Of course, it doesn't take a surgeon to realize that this is absolutely
because this doctor looks like it looks like not fixing the patient's back, but actually hurting them, because the lady is crying and crying. He's just taking a hammer and a chisel, like bro, come on.
Вниз. Голову вниз. Тихо. Голову вниз. Не волнуйся. Ага. Тихо. Плечи вниз. Если голова закрутится, скажи мне об этом. Тихо, знаю, в руки идет ток, я знаю. Да, я знаю. Так. Слишком много застойных процессов, моя дорогая. Все, пускай, я знаю, прет. Ну давай, не волнуйся, не надо. Я знаю, что тебе больно. Я знаю, моя хорошая. Вот, ничего не держи в себе. Плечи опусти вниз. Не держи в себе, хорошая, не держи. Стой поболее, плечи вниз бросила, голову вниз.
Is that helping or killing the patient? Because medically they wouldn't do that, because it would ruin the spinal cord. And you'll be like forever. It's like if they're breaking your back instead of making you better, they're making it worse. Bruh, look.
Ты голову не верти, давай, вдох, выдох. Будет бить. Больно не будет, как током будет бить. Все, током. Да. По рукам даже. Все, сейчас. Потому что руки болели, все, отпусти тебя. Давай еще. Не сильно бери. Ты не видел, как я забил? Да, это будет, пройдет, не переживайте. Просто нервное окончание обязательно. Давай вдох и выдох. Проверим. Если ушел, все, очень. Пройдет, ты не переживай. По себе знаю. Все, а ну давай. Обними, опусти голову сразу. Посмотрю я. Машина лучше. Много лучше. Опусти голову.
Who and who the heck gave them those licenses? Do they have the license of being a chiropractor? Do they? Bruh, like, come on, man. Come on. I wouldn't advise you to pay money for this shit, bruh. I wouldn't advise you to pay money for this, because the way it looks is like the doctor is just enjoying himself, like working you, like it's like he's having a field day. If he has stress at home, know that today, he's going to relieve his stress with you. Your back is going to be like, nah, bruh, come on. When you have a back problem, like your posture is not great and your back hurts, go to people who actually have licenses, who are actually doctors, because here are some of the doctors who says this thing is not medically proven.
This guy suffered a stroke after a chiropractor cracked his neck, and I'm a chiropractor, so lots of people want me to talk about it. So let's talk about it. We should stop cracking necks. I explained why exactly 1 year ago after this young woman was paralyzed, and I'll do it again. First, when we crack your neck, there is a risk of stroke. It's not proven to cause stroke, but there's a small association, so the risk is greater than zero. And that risk isn't worth it because number two, neck cracking doesn't work for neck pain any better than other treatments like massage or exercise. And number three, stroke isn't the only risk. In this study, half the people getting their neck cracked thought their spine had gone out.
And it doesn't work. These people, like, they're making your back worse. Instead of making your back get better, they're making your back get worse, bruh. It's like they're killing you. They are not fixing you, they're making you worse. Even this guy was trying to fix a baby, it made the baby even worse. He gave the baby a permanent neck injury or something.
To a chiropractor for a routine neck adjustment that changed Caitlin's life forever.
Brother, come on. Why do you have to pay such a lot of money for that kind of shit, bruh? Why? Why do you pay that much money? It's like these people get so much money, but they do not actually do the job. Nah, it's not actually their job, right? It's not their job. Because it's just them looking to make a quick buck like they're going to do. I understand that they're doing it to older people, but how can you do this shit to a baby, bruh? To an infant? I know the kid is sick, but no. There's the video that you're seeing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you manage to the video, please like, comment, please, because this shit, my advice, don't do this shit, because this shit is not legally proven, at least not in where I live. I've only seen this shit on TikTok, like, Channing.